I'm Dr. Ortiz-Brugés, dermatologist and medical director of Thermale Avène. Sterile cosmetics is an unmatched technological know-how developed over the last 20 years by the Pierre Fabre Group. It's based on the group's expertise in the development of sterile injectable drugs. This technology now makes it possible to offer dermocosmetic skincare that is fragrance-free and formulated with a limited number of ingredients, as well as being free from preservatives and any substances with a preservative-like effect. It is the result of seamless control of the entire sterility chain from the manufacturing stage to final product packaging. Any cream formulation needs to be preserved to ensure consumer safety throughout product use, avoiding the microbial proliferation that has a tendency to develop in this favorable environment. Yet, some preservatives are known to have irritating or even allergenic effects. Did you know that the prevalence of sensitive skin has dramatically increased due to urbanization, pollution, and hectic lifestyles like stress, fatigue, and unbalanced diet? This increase is also the result of unsuitable cosmetics, ingredients, or active ingredients. So the challenge was therefore to remove all preservatives in order to develop safe and well-tolerated products for sensitive, intolerant, and allergic skin. So sterile cosmetics technology is the secret behind this success. Sterile cosmetic products are formulated with a limited number of ingredients carefully selected for their innocuity and adapted for a given skin indication. The formula is fragrance-free and preservative-free to maintain microbiome balance, which is essential for healthy skin. They are manufactured in a sterile environment and kept sterile thanks to 100% patented airtight packaging. This means that the purity and integrity of the formulas are guaranteed throughout their use. As a result, sterile cosmetic products are ideal for the most sensitive skin, as they not only offer optimal tolerance but also respect the skin's microbiome. Sterile cosmetics has been designed to meet the needs of the whole family, babies, children, and adults. It is therefore suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, as well as for skin suffering from inflammatory dermatosis, such as atopic dermatitis, eczema, allergies, or irritative dermatitis caused by wearing masks, for example. It is also adapted to patients undergoing or following cancer treatments and whose skin is left sensitized, irritated, or hyperreactive. And of course, sterile cosmetics is a simple alternative for all skin types looking for the bare essentials. In an effort to provide the most adapted products for each sensitive skin type, the Thermale Avène brand has developed 3 ranges. For sensitive skin in need of simplicity, the Tolérance Extrême range. Formulated with 7 ingredients, 94% of natural origin, the Tolérance Extrême skincare products effectively moisturize and soothe sensitive skin, from children to adults. For intolerant skin, the Intolerant Skin range reduces the skin's hyperreactivity while restoring its barrier function thanks to a patented soothing active ingredient, parserine, combined with Avène thermal spring water. Finally, for atopic eczema-prone skin, Calmade products are the perfect choice. They contain the postbiotic active ingredient, Immodulia, with powerful and proven calming and anti-scratching effects. This provides rapid relief and thus improves patients' quality of life.